How to make money as a teenager. Making money as a teenager can be a rewarding and educational experience. Here are some ideas for how teenagers can earn money. 1. Part-time jobs. Many businesses hire teenagers for part-time positions like retail, food service, or babysitting. These jobs can provide valuable work experience and a steady income. 2. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services to younger students who need help in that area. 3. Babysitting. Babysitting is a classic way for teenagers to earn money. Many parents look for responsible teenagers to watch their children for a few hours. 4. Yard work. Offering lawn mowing, gardening, or snow shoveling services to neighbors can be a great way to make money, especially during the appropriate seasons. 5. Pet sitting, dog walking. If you love animals, you can offer pet sitting or dog walking services to pet owners in your community. 6. Freelancing. If you're skilled in writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 7. Selling crafts or artwork. If you're creative, you can make and sell crafts, artwork, or handmade jewelry on platforms like Etsy. 8. Online surveys and micro-tasks. Some websites offer paid surveys and micro-tasks that can be completed online. 9. Social media management. If you're knowledgeable about social media, you can offer your services to small businesses or individuals looking to improve their online presence. 10. Lemonade stand or bake sale. For a more traditional approach, you can set up a lemonade stand or a bake sale in your neighborhood. Remember to check local laws and regulations regarding age restrictions for certain types of work, and always prioritize your safety and well-being. Balancing work with your studies and extracurricular activities is also important.